really. Boom!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Guys, could you do me a quick favor? I know a lot of us is watching the content and we get caught up just to see what's going on, but just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you like my content. It will definitely motivate me to do way more content and definitely get the story out to you. So this is my BMW E90, and what we're going to do today is show you guys how to remove your CAS. Now you probably have one of the CAS Plus, or you probably have the CAS Plus Plus, CAS Plus Plus that. So the reason why we remove the CAS is to pretty much program the new keys to them. In some cases, say for instance, like this car right here, which is the 2009, it went into the dealership, all keys lost, and we need to remove the CAS to downgrade it, program the key, upgrade it back to the CAS Plus, because there's a reason why they upgraded. And if you just downgrade it and leave it alone, I guarantee you're just going to have a whole lot of problems. So first thing is first, the location for the CAS. It's literally right here under the steering. So let's remove these screws. First thing you will need, you will definitely need a small power tool or a screwdriver and an extension bit. And the bit you will need is a T20. Pretty much all the major screws on the car are T20. So let me show you what we need. Alright, boom. I've removed one so far, so it's 3. One down here, one right here. Let me remove this one. Put it in. Pull this down. I know there's no more screws. Alright, here we are. We could just pull this down and just unplug this. Let me just show you the CAS. It is right up here. Hold up. Can't miss it. Black box. Here it is. Alright, so it's right here. Let me see if I can get some light up under here. There's a flat ribbon cable right here. Got to remove this one. We could remove this after we take out the CAS, and the other one is right here. We'll just flat this clip on the side, boom, pull up, then release. This one's easy. Now there's one 10 nut which is holding it, and the 10 nut is somewhere here to the side. If you guys can see that, there's a 10 nut. So you need a ratchet angle, 10 socket I should say. Put it on, rotate, or if you have that spanner, you can get that real quick. And just take it off, then just slide the box this side down, and then just slide it out the groove out here. Just one screw to remove it. So let me just take that out real quick. To remind you guys, when you're removing the second ribbon, all right, so for the first one, which is right here, you press down on the top. Once you press down on here, you slide this back. Just remove the first one. The second one, this one, you got to be quite careful when you're removing it. You squeeze the 2 sides right here. You see this? Once you squeeze the 2 sides, then you just slowly pull it out. Don't rock it. You really don't want to damage that wire. Trust me, guys, you don't want to damage it. So now we're going to just pull that 10 nut right there and slide it out. There it is, out. Let me tell you something, guys. If you have one of them spanners, the small 10 ratchet angle spanner, it makes your life way easier just to pull it. Trust me, because if you're going to use a regular ratchet angle, bruh, you will never get it open. So these work pretty cool, pretty easy to take it out. As I said, one nut, the other part is fit in. So now what we're going to do is pretty much take it to my friend and have him plug it up, read the file with his reader, and make a key, cut a key in, put it up back. So I can't show you guys that part because he said it's a trade secret, seeing that nobody is able to do the plus CAS. Everybody only can do the single plus. So I'm gonna definitely show you guys when it's complete though, for sure. And all right, pretty much guys, trust me, the guy you need to contact whenever you need your keys done is right here. He come to you, and trust me, when I say get it done quick, I mean get it done quick. No delay, fast. I've never seen anything that quick. All right, so I know you guys didn't get to see some of the installation progress. What we had to do to program the key, seeing that it was a CAS plus 3.3. It's a trade secret. I definitely dropped the information up with the person you need to do it. If you're in San Jose, trust me, he will be the guy you definitely need to contact. A great friend of mine. I actually have 2 persons who can get it done. But let me put this together real quick, and then we go back inside, install the CAS, and then we'll be finished. Thing is put back together, and here's our new key. All right, let's come up now to brake and start. Sound damn good. Oh, we ready to go. Definitely need a service though, but we looking damn good right now, for sure, for sure.